Hey my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know myself, Tania das, and today I'm gonna create this dreamy glam makeup look which I'm wearing right now. So if you want to know how I create this look, please keep watching. Well, my skin is already moisturized and prepped, and right now I'm applying the MAC Studio Fix Fit foundation. I'm in the shade NC40 and I'm using a foundation brush to blend it. And right now I'm using the damp makeup sponge to make the application even smoother. And right now I'm using the eyebrow pencil from Maybelline. This is in the shade dark brown. And I'm just trying to make my brows thicker. And right now I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade medium to clean up the edges of my brows. And it will make my brows stand out. I love to do this trick to make my brows enhanced. I'm blending the concealer well so that the area doesn't get cakey. And right now I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids, under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. And right now I'm using the same damp makeup sponge to blend the concealer. And I'm just making sure the concealer melts into my skin. And also I'm applying a little bit of concealer around my mouth area. And right now I'm baking my face. Baking works best if you use the damp makeup sponge, and I'm just taking excess powder on my sponge and applying on the concealed areas. And I'm also applying the powder around my mouth. I'm using the Makeup Revolution banana powder to bake my face, and right now I'm just applying the powder all over my face. You have to keep the powder like this for 2 to 3 minutes. And right now I'm dusting off the excess powder. And I'm using a fluffy powder brush to remove the excess powder. And right now I'm contouring my cheekbones, and right now I'm blending the contouring powder so that it blends well. And applying the contouring powder also on the temple, and right now I'm blending it so that it gives me a nice bronzy look. I'm doing the same on another side of my face. I'm just blending and blending, and right now I'm applying the same banana powder just under my cheekbone so that the contouring looks sharper. And right now I'm contouring my nose so that my nose looks slimmer. Well, right now I'm blending the contouring powder on my nose, and also I'm dusting up the powder which I had applied under my cheekbones. And right now I'm applying the contouring powder on my jawline. And I'm right now applying the powder all over my face, and I'm just blending it well. And right now I'm applying this shade on my eyelid. I'm just creating the base, and today I'm gonna create the soft cut crease. I will not be using any concealer to cut the crease because it's gonna be a soft cut crease makeup look, eye makeup look. And right now I'm applying a dark purple eyeshadow on my eyelid, and right now I'm blending the shade well so that there's no harsh lines. And right now I'm using this lighter shade so that it looks well blended. And right now I'm gonna apply this purple shimmery shade. And right now I'm cutting the crease with this shimmery shade, and I'm just blending it well. And right now I'm applying this lighter shimmery shade on the top of it. And right now I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter, and I'm also highlighting the brow bone. And right now I'm applying the eyeliner. This is a matte liquid eyeliner, and I'm just creating the wing. And right now I'm thickening it up to make it more bold. So I have applied the eyeliner on both of my eyes, and right now I'm applying the kohl pencil on both of my upper and lower waterline. And right now I'm applying a light mauve shade on my lower lash line, and I'm just blending it well. And right now I'm coating my eyelashes with the mascara, and this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'm also applying the mascara on my lower lash line. And right now I'm applying the blush. This is the blush from Revlon, and this is in the shade Classic Coral. And right now I'm applying the blush on the apples of my cheeks, and I'm just blending the color well. And I'm applying a little bit of blush on my nose as well. And right now I'm applying the highlighter, the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate Highlighter on my cheekbones, on the temples of my head, on my forehead, and also on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, and also on my chin. And if you guys are wondering, then I used the Fortune Favors the Brave palette by Makeup Revolution, and right now I'm applying the highlighter on the Cupid's bow, and right now I'm applying the lipstick from NYX in the shade Budapest. So this is the final look. So if you guys enjoyed my video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button so that you get notified whenever I post new videos, and also like and share this video. I'll see you soon guys in my next video. Bye bye.